Google just dropped an absolute nuke on the open source AI community. While everyone has been distracted by massive trillion-parameter supercomputers, Google DeepMind quietly released a model so compact it can run on your smartphone, yet so powerful it literally beats GPT-4 in coding and math. Today we are taking a deep dive into Gemma 3. It is fast, it is multimodal, and it is about to completely change how we build local, autonomous agents. Let's look at the official specs because they are staggering. Gemma 3 is a 4 billion parameter open weights foundation model. But do not let its small size fool you. It packs a massive 128,000 context window, supports over 140 languages, and features native multimodal understanding. By utilizing a custom SIG-LIP vision encoder, this model processes text and high-resolution images simultaneously. It also features built-in native function calling, which is exactly what you need to build intelligent agents that interact with external tools and APIs. But here's where things get completely insane. Google explicitly states that Gemma 3 punches far above its weight class, and the benchmarks prove it. In HumanEval code generation, this tiny 4 billion parameter open model scored a 71.3%, completely dethroning OpenAI's GPT-4, which scored a 67. And in mathematical reasoning, Gemma 3 hit an unbelievable 75.6%, leaving GPT-4 in the dust. It also completely destroys Meta's Llama 3.2 and Mistral 7B. Because it is quantization aware, you don't need a massive GPU server to run it. You can deploy it directly onto your laptop or edge device with a single line of code using Ollama. Look at how terrifyingly easy this is to deploy. You don't need a PhD in machine learning or a complex cloud infrastructure. Google has optimized this so that you can be up and running in literal minutes. Whether you want to run it completely offline using a simple Ollama run command in your terminal, integrate it directly into your apps using Python and transformers, or route it through the Google AI API, the friction to build has completely vanished. And because they are fully committed to open source transparency, they've backed the entire release with instant integrations to Hugging Face, Kaggle, and fully documented technical reports. And Google didn't stop there. They just unleashed the Gemmaverse, an entire ecosystem of highly specialized, state-of-the-art open models. We are talking about MedGemma for clinical and healthcare AI. Translate Gemma, heavily optimized to communicate seamlessly across 55 different languages. VaultGemma for bank-grade privacy, and FunctionGemma specifically trained for fast private agentic workflows. They have built an entire suite of modular brains ready to be plugged into your applications. We are entering an era where you can literally download a model that is smarter than GPT-4 entirely for free and run it locally on your own hardware. But here is the brutal truth. Having access to these incredible open source models is completely useless if you don't know how to deploy them, connect them to agent frameworks, and automate your business. Scrolling through their model directory, we see tools designed for every conceivable workflow. You have VaultGemma, touted as the world's most capable differentially private large language model, meaning your sensitive data is cryptographically secured. You have Embedding Gemma for elite on-device retrieval. And then we look at the performance of the Gemma 3 27 billion parameter variant. Google proudly crowns it as the absolute best open model that can comfortably fit on a single NVIDIA H100 GPU. Looking at this scatter plot, Gemma 3 is soaring above the competition, delivering a massive benchmark score while requiring a fraction of the hardware compared to heavier models like Quinn and DeepSeek. And that is exactly why I built the AI Money Forge. We just crossed 203 dedicated members, and inside we are building the future of automated wealth. If you are tired of just watching AI tutorials and want to start actually building profitable systems, you need to join us. Inside the Forge, I don't just give you theory, I give you my exact step-by-step blueprints. You will get instant access to my brand new Accomplish OpenClaw module, where I show you how to set up fully autonomous local agents in under 2 minutes with zero technical skills required. We cover advanced notebook LM workflows, massive ChatGPT 5.4 deployment strategies, and the exact operating procedures we use to build 24/7 AI employees. Stop renting your AI and start owning your infrastructure. Click the link in the description to join the AI Money Forge right now, and let's start building your empire. I'll see you inside.